What's up, y'all? It's your boy Do It Jack, and I'm back in the mix. I'm back in action. This is What Show Hustle. Well, hustling is a way of life, but hustle, I'm talking how you survive through life every day. Now, I wanted to make a quick follow-up video to the 5 accessories that you need as a man. I just wanted to quickly show y'all like some of the watches I have and some of the colognes, because a lot of people was asking about the colognes, where to get the colognes, and you know what I'm saying, where to get the watches. So before I even begin, let me say this. I don't know who it was in the comments, man. Somebody said, yo, can you show us your watches or something? I was like, yo, that's a good idea. But first of all, I get watches. I'm gonna tell you, I used to get my watches from Groupon, right? They used to have like $60 watches, $50 watches, and them shits used to be real nice, you feel me? Like, you wear it around, people like, damn, boy, it look like you spent some money on it. You ain't really spend the money. You spent probably about 60, 70 bucks. So I used to get them from Groupon because they used to have little discounts. Also, you go to the mall. Typically the malls tend to, from my experience, tend to be a little bit more expensive. You could also go to like clothing stores, you know what I'm saying? Maybe, I don't know if there's a Ross in your city or a Marshalls or something. Sometimes though, you can be able to find some really nice watches. All right, so those are a couple of places you can go to find watches. Also, use Amazon, you feel me? Use Amazon. Now here's the thing about when you get a watch. Sometimes your wrist might not fit the watch that it comes in, so you gotta take it to a watch, I don't know, watch place, whatever, where they fix watches so they can take certain links out so that it can fit your wrist nice and snug. All right, colognes. You get colognes from the mall. You get colognes from flea markets, whatever, you know what I'm saying? You can even get colognes from online, you know what I'm saying? If you really want to find the shit, you can find the shit, you know what I'm saying? So I just want to go ahead and answer that. So what I'm about to do is, I'm about to take the camera, show y'all a few of my watches and show y'all a few of my colognes, all right? Let's do it. All right, so look, these are, you know what I'm saying, my 4 main watches that, you know what I'm saying, you'll catch me wearing. I actually have 5, I have 2 silver ones, but my brother Greg got my other damn watch, boy, and I know you watching this damn video, man. Bring me my damn watch. All right, so look, you see the one on the left here? I got the brown strap. It's something that's just a little bit classy, you know what I'm saying? Something that's not too much, not over the top. It just makes you look neat. You know what I'm saying? You don't always need something that's just super duper fancy, you know what I'm saying, or whatever like that. Just doing something that's neat, that's gonna, you know, I will wear this with like some khakis, some slacks, you know what I'm saying? Like almost like some casual wear. Now the one in the middle, or this black one here with the black strap, you know what I'm saying? You see, I got the, what is this, like, let me get a better focus. Like, I think this was alligator skin strap, you know what I'm saying? I went and got that put on there. I had a original black strap, but it had ended up breaking. And this watch actually right now is broken, as you can see right there. So I got to go back and get that fixed. But this is actually my favorite watch to wear. Because it don't matter pretty much what I have on. I can always, you know what I'm saying, wear this watch with whatever. Then, you know what I'm saying, you got your gold watch right here. Now you need to have your gold watch, you know what I'm saying? This one here I probably paid like maybe 50, 60 bucks or something. It wasn't too much. But gold is typically what I wear when I want to step out and look, you know what I'm saying, look real player. That's the one that I typically will put on. Me personally, I like silver jewelry better than gold jewelry. You know, a lot of people say they like gold better than silver, but I just think silver just kind of fits me better. So a lot of times, even when I do want to look player, I still will wear, boom, the silver watch, you feel me? Got the damn shot. So this silver watch right here, and like I said, I got another watch, you know what I'm saying, that is very similar to this one, but this one has a black face, you know what I'm saying? My other one has like a white face. You know what I mean is this part right there, you know what I'm saying? You see that's black. Matter of fact, if you go back and watch my short film Eva, it was actually a Kenneth Cole watch, you know what I'm saying, that the dude, the main character, that was his signifier to him to remember about his old chick. So if you go back and watch Eva, you will see what watch I'm talking about. All right. Now, moving on here. These are, you know what I'm saying, some of my colognes, right? So this one, a lot of people was like, yo, what colognes you talking about when you said that shit is like play or whatever? Bang. You feel me? Let me get that in focus right there. And look, this is a little cheap cologne, bro. A little oil cologne, bro. Called Dior Sauvage, you know what I'm saying? They sell this. This is actually a very popular cologne, man. They sell this at many different places. I also got, you know what I'm saying, my Adidas cologne. I got some Fendi cologne. This right here, bro, I had probably for like 8 years. Never really wore it like that. And then I got 2 different types of Chanel cologne. You feel me? And I got a bunch of other colognes, you know what I'm saying, somewhere. But I just didn't really feel like looking for them because these ones here is the ones that I really, you know what I'm saying, like to wear. That Adidas one, don't sleep on that shit. And also, man, get you some damn body spray, man. Some of y'all niggas be walking around musty and shit. You feel me? Look, boom. You know what I'm saying? Get you a speed stick, boy. Put on musty ass underarms. You feel me? I know y'all boys got hair growing out for y'all young homies, man. Don't be walking around musty as hell and your shirt be musty as hell too and you still wear that shit. Put that shit in the washer. All right, so this is basically what it is, man. Just a couple of them. All right, bomb. All right, so there you go, you feel me? This is a follow-up to the video I made before about the accessories. Let me elaborate just a little bit, man, because somebody else, man, made a great suggestion. Said, always carry some damn chapstick or some Carmex or some Blistex. And that's one of the rules that I live by, bro. I gotta give you a shout out, bro, because I read that comment, I was like, damn, how the hell did I forget that? Man, keep them lips nice and moisturized, you feel me? This shit funny because I'm talking about lips, I'm sitting here licking my shit, making sure my shit ain't crusty as hell, you feel me? Goddamn slob on the corner of your mouth, you always see me wiping my shit, you feel me? But hey, keep your lips moisturized, man, you know what I'm saying? And I'm a dude, I got dry skin, so if you can get you like some little cocoa butter or something, man, keep them knuckles nice and crisp, you feel me? A lot of y'all dudes be having ash in between your thumb and, you know what I'm saying, your index finger, man. Get that crusty shit out, you know what I'm saying? So do your thing. Look, carry some gum too, because a lot of dudes' breath be on fire, my dude. Like, just go ahead and try to clean that shit up, you know what I'm saying? In the morning, just, you know what I'm saying, brush that shit real quick, you know what I'm saying? And for real, man, this is very important, man. You always want to be aesthetically, visually appealing, man, with everything that you try to do. So your boy Do It Jack is out here trying to help the hood, because shit, I wish somebody would have told me a lot of the things that I know now, you feel me? I make a lot of mistakes out here, still make mistakes, and every mistake that I make, I come in to bring it to you so that you don't do the same dumb shit I did. You got what I'm saying? I remember when I was younger, bro, I was like 17, 18, bro. Never forget this shit. I went to the movies, you know what I'm saying, with this one chick or whatever. And I ain't have shit to wear, you feel me? So I just put on something, you know what I'm saying? And bro, I took a motherfucking shirt from the goddamn closet, put that bitch on. I was clean though, put that bitch on, and the shirt was musty as shit. And I didn't realize I was musty till I was on my way to the goddamn movies. I'm like, bro, this shit finna be hell. I'm finna be embarrassed like a motherfucker because I gotta sit close to this bitch, you know what I'm saying? So I'm in the movie theaters like this trying to lean away from her so she can't smell the boy armpits, bro. Don't be in no situation like that, bro. Get you some deodorant, man. Speed stick, body wash, you feel me? Bod, you know what I'm saying? You know that bod shit, yo? Get you something, bro. Cause even if your shit musty, at least you don't spray up under them arms to try to get your shit right, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, y'all know who it is, man. Follow your boy at Do It Yourself Film Event. That will be my film event page. You want to follow me personally at What's Your Hustle 1, at What's Your Hustle 1 on the gram, you feel me? And it's your boy, man. It's your boy Captain Jack, Super Do It Jack, man. So get at me.